Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We started our trip. This is Silverton, Colorado. You can see down here in the bottom. We're heading down into Silverton in the Gladiator. So we're loaded down. We got the Napier tent and everything. Gonna do some camping out for, I don't know, 9 or 10 days anyway. Hey guys, welcome back. So we are at Clear Lake, not far from Silverton, just a little ways up a trail from Silverton. It is so beautiful here. We use the Gaia GPS. I'll have to show you that later on in the video or in another video. But we are up here and it's absolutely beautiful up here at this lake. Sherry's back here. She's cooking some vegetable soup. And we got the Napier Backroads tent. So we are set up. I'm going to turn this camera around and show you some of the views up here. It's absolutely breathtaking up here. So here's some of the views. The sun's going down. You can see the sun shining on those mountains over here. There's the road we come up on. Small little pond like down here. And then over here is the lake, Clear Lake. It's absolutely stunning. The mountains up here. This up here has actually, there's a mine right there. That's a mine. I don't know how good I can zoom in. Let's see how good I can zoom in. Maybe the wind's messing you up, hope not. But there's a mine right up there. And somebody camping right down there, which I did read in the rules that you're actually not supposed to camp too close to the water, like 100 feet away, but so that's why we're up here. And you're not supposed to be out driving on the tundra, camping or parking out there with your vehicles. But we got camp set up. Looks good. We got a mattress in there. We made it up here. It's not too bad. It's a little rough. There's some hairpin turns, but the trail's not bad. We have our big 50-liter Joy Titus refrigerator / freezer in here. And I'm breathing heavy because the air is thin up here. I'm not used to it. And I tell you, you do a little bit when you're used to being in Missouri at 1,400 feet elevation. You get up here, this is 12,000 feet where we're at up here at Clear Lake. Showed up on the Gaia GPS. And up here we have the 25-liter Joy Titus fridge / freezer. We got it going up front, and we have our drinks in it. We have Gatorades, water, stuff like that. We got all our camping supplies. Tomorrow we're going to go, we don't know where, probably on the Alpine Loop tomorrow is where we'll go. But every day is just going to be an adventure. We don't have plans of everything we're doing. We're just going to go. But check this out. Is this view not fabulous? Check out that mountain way back there. That peak. The sun hits it and it's turning red. Beautiful. So we love the Napier tent. And also people that ask about the Jeep Gladiator and the Napier Backroads tent. And you have a, let me come around the other side. You have your tonneau cover, because we was worried about that, about setting it up with the tonneau cover. But it works perfect. We rolled the tonneau cover. Goes right under the front, right here, so it only takes a little bit of room. The Backroads tent goes right over the tonneau cover, so actually works great. Look at that woman. She's getting at it. Check out that shirt she's got on. That hoodie my daughter made. Mine has the same thing. Woodzman Adventures on the sleeve. We kind of ghosted it out. We wanted it, she wanted it the gray with the black, so it's kind of ghosted out. Woodzman Adventures on there.
The name.
And the name on there. Too cool. I got one just like it that I'm wearing.
For our anniversary.
Only mine don't say Sherry, it says Frank on it. That'd be a good idea. So we'll catch y'all in the morning. We're going to get up in the morning. We're going to cook breakfast right here on this. This is one of those Gladiator, Coleman Gladiators. And man, that thing looks like a champ. We really like it. I bought it off Amazon. I think I have it on my Amazon store. If not, I'll make sure that I do and post a link to it. But that's a heck of a good cooker. We're out here doing this. We got our backpacks and everything. See you guys in the morning. I was going to show you, I didn't know if I mentioned before, but see the snow? There's snow right there, there. And there's actually some over here, run down. Everywhere there's shade, actually there's some right there. So, we're done eating for tonight. You got everything all packed back up. So we're ready. Got our dishes cleaned. And we're ready to go.
And away from the campsite so the bears don't
away
come
from the
after us.
campsite. Yeah, we cleaned the stuff away from here. That way we don't have to worry about if there is any bears, hopefully they don't come around us. So, catch you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. It is beautiful this morning. I don't know what the temperature is for sure, but it's nice. There's actually somebody showed up here last night at dark with a rooftop tent on the Toyota. Then there's this Ford. They come this morning. Of course, there's another truck down over there, Toyota. But it is so beautiful. You see the sun starting to come up on these tops of these mountains over here. This is over, this here is to the west. And then we come back around this way. The sun's going to be coming right over here somewhere in the east. Absolutely beautiful. And the lake is beautiful. Sherry is cooking. You probably even can hear it. She's cooking hash browns, eggs. We got scrambled eggs, hash browns, bacon. Check that out on the Gladiator grill. Mercy. She's thinking she might bring the bears up here with that bacon stuff because it does smell good out here.
The only critters that we've heard all night was about 3-something this morning. We heard wolves howling.
Yeah, we heard the wolves, and I'm pretty sure they was up on top of that ridge up there. Somewhere on top of that mountain up there.
Yep, they sounded close.
It was pretty wild. I'd like to have been able to see them, but it was, even with the phone, the video was pitch dark. You couldn't see anything on it. Not enough light.
Oh, and last night we got up just shortly after we went to bed after it got dark, and we undressed the tent and we was looking at the stars, and oh my gosh, it's unbelievable up here at the nighttime.
Oh yeah, the stars.
We couldn't get it on picture, but last night it was the first time we've ever seen the Big Dipper that big.
Yeah,
I mean, it looked like
incredible.
we could almost reach out and touch it, and all the stars were so close to us. It's absolutely amazing up here.
It is.
This is the absolute best anniversary present I've ever gotten.
Fabulous. We're having a great time. We're going to do this. We might walk another trail here in a little bit. Then we're going to head out and go on down and back into Silverton, fuel up. I already have the tires aired down to 20 pounds. So we're going to fuel back up, and then we're going to go on up in the Alpine Loop, and we'll find a spot up in there for tonight to spend. But we'll see you guys here in a little while. All right, now look at that mountain breakfast. Hash browns, bacon, and scrambled eggs. I would stay here and talk for a little bit, but forget it. I'm going to eat this stuff.